Stagnation, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to discuss why some crypto coins or cryptocurrencies will not make it out of this bear market. Number one, many of these coins do not have utility. They're simply just pump and dump schemes.
Choop, choop.
Yes.
Simple as that. Regulations will wipe them out just exactly because of that. Simple.
Absolutely.
Number two.
Third reason why some of these coins will not make it out of this market, these cryptos and altcoins, as they want to call themselves, are companies, securities. They're simply companies raising money from investors, just like any other company out there. Instead of shares of companies, you're getting tokens. Hence, they will need to be registered as a security. We've heard the SEC even come out and say this, and will require them to disclose all the necessary information needed by investors.
All the shenanigans they're doing.
Exactly. Right. So there are definitely companies, securities, and we need to be registered. And some of them do not qualify to be on that level or platform, if you will. Library is an example of one of those that do not make it.
Satama Inu, they're coming for you.
Oh,
Hex, they're
Saitama.
coming for you.
Exactly, man. Oof. What is that other one they call it, man? Hex. Yes, Hex. There you go. You know, the Hex people, man, different breed of people. Anyway, next point.
Not your keys, not your token, not your crypto, not your Bitcoin. That revolution is going right now. As a matter of fact, several billions of dollars have exited the exchange just because of recent events in this bear market.
Absolutely. And of course, the fifth reason, license requirements. We did a video and you saw that there's multiple states coming up with all these license requirements and so on and so forth. And many of these exchanges or coins or cryptos, if you want to call them that, garbage coins, will not be able to qualify for this. And of course, you also have to remember a lot of these are also outside of the US. They seem to be operating in other jurisdictions and providing their services within the US. So the number of exchanges will definitely reduce as well.
Exchanges and the type of coins on those exchanges, because now those exchanges have requirements of what they can put on their shit. Excuse my French.
Hey, all good. It seems that they're shrinking down to what is equivalent of the stock market, essentially.
It needs to be. You fail to self-regulate and allow the technology to do its thing. What else do you expect?
Hey, that is true. Next point.
Number 6, securities requirements, man. Just like license requirements, for you to be a securities, which you are, your closet project in your basement would have to say bye-bye. Because most of these guys, like you said earlier, offshore in some of this closet, pumping and dumping.
Yeah, lots of that.
And we've started to see some signs. Some of them have started to consolidate now. Oh, let's come together, let's join, and let's merge. You know.
Well, merge into one big security and then register with the SEC. Is what I say.
Yep.
Now, the final point which we have here is proof of reserves. This also speaks to that transparency that we all like to see. This will reduce the urge or taste of exchanges for tokens that are valueless, essentially. So ultimately, this just takes away some of that pump and dump schemes, because as we saw, a lot of these exchanges were holding coins that had no value whatsoever, printed right out of thin air. And with this proof of reserves, I think exchanges that are not up to snuff, right, as far as having a backing for the assets that they claim, would definitely be going downhill, right?
As a
And
matter
this
of
will
fact,
definitely
proof of reserve also attacks all those altcoins that have been pumped up by VCs. Because proof
Yeah.
of reserve, some of these regulations also require that you show who owns the coin, or who has invested in the coin. So all this market capitalization, all the stuff they were using to fake people into the market.
Yeah.
Oh, that sucker is worth $10 million. I should probably invest in it because a lot of people have invested in it. We now get to find out that VCs actually put that money in there to
Yeah.
fake you into the market so that they can dump on you. All that will now have to get disclosed.
That is a very good point. So the information that we see on CoinMarketCap then is probably not necessarily accurate.
CoinGecko, Maserati. By the way, Maserati was a FTX product.
Oh yeah. Well, their websites look nice though.
I love
We'll
it.
give them that much. Yeah. Lots of talent there. It's just some things are misguided. Well, these are what we think are some of the reasons why some of these coins will not make it out of the crypto market. Maybe we left out some. I'm sure we left out some. Please let us know in the
Let
comments.
us know.
Maybe you think they will all make it. Let us know in the comment as well. We would like to discuss that. Right? And check out what is going on your side of town. Final thoughts, sir.
Love final thoughts. If you're watching this right now and you have not liked or subscribed, go ahead and do that right now. STAKK on YouTube, STAKK Fiend on Twitter. This is where all the action is. And of course, if you want to go hang out with the sleeping giants, are they still giants?
They're
Check us
not
out
giants,
on Facebook
man.
and Instagram.
They're fading away.
Yeah. And yeah, of course, you like the show.
Yes.
You want to talk to us about some of the altcoins that you think would make it through? Come and check us out. Let's do some podcasts on Spotify. Let's have a conversation.
Yes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. It means a lot to us. We'll keep pushing, keep doing our best to try to bring you a better and better content, right?
Quality content.
Yes, and share as much as we can with you about the evolution of the crypto space, and most importantly, the adoption of Bitcoin.
The revolution of Bitcoin.
Oh yeah, look at that. Until next time, Brazen out.
Buffalo.